guys, so today we are unboxing the GoPro 11. So we will take this with us to the Philippines hopefully guys, and this is the features here on the side. So we will unbox it now and let's begin. So this one we bought it for $799 in Harvey Norman. So yeah, GoPro GoPro 11. So yeah, okay, let's unbox. Right guys, this is it. Let's unbox the GoPro 11. So same as before, we have to rip it in the bottom here. So that's sold to my darling. So rip it, but oh my god, I feel sorry ripping all these boxes with the amount. So this one guys is $799. Alright, anyway, let's open this now. And it comes with a very sturdy suitcase. It comes with a very sturdy bag or container. And this is how it looks like inside. So open that. And ready, abracadabra. Alright, here we are guys. So it says here that you must update your camera before use. So this is the inside of the bag. And it comes with this paperwork. So yeah, so you have to make sure it's charging. And you got your stickers up here. And some manual. Battery performance. And it comes with a cable again, but there's no charger like the one you hook to the outlet. And this is like a connector mount. It's a mount. It's a charger, the mount. This is another connector. What's this one? Ooh, this is the battery. The small one battery. So yeah, that one's the battery. It's so tiny. And this is another mount, which I don't know where to hook. We'll find out later. So that's the one. Looks like that. And this is the queen of the box. So this is the GoPro 11. It needs to be updated before. Should we rip this off? Oh my god, this is the best feeling. Ripping off the paper. But anyway guys, so oh come on, just rip it off. It's unrippable. This thing. Yeah, so we'll just rip this off from here. Oh, this is actually super sticky. Anyway, that's all. Yeah, got it. So there's like where you can mount it here somewhere like that. And then that's a one, and I'll show you guys. That's the power button. This, I think this is where the battery goes, and I think this one goes like that one, and then that's the match made in heaven, that one, those two. So this is how you use it guys. So this one actually, I don't know how to open this, but yeah, so this one I think goes here somewhere on the side, so like that. And then yeah, that's how it is. So that comes with that little nice box. And this is the main product. It's a cable, that one, the battery, and the mount. And that's all it for that price. 1,000, no, actually $799, and the other one's $119, so that's like $800. And compared to this is the DJI Osmo number 1. So this is the comparison. That's how big the GoPro is. So yeah, compare the action. So that's all it is guys for our GoPro 11, and you can actually fit all in this bag if you want to, with the with that one, with this one as well. and then all the kits and everything. So that's all for our GoPro unboxing for today, guys. Thank you for watching and hope you like and subscribe. Bye.